Welcome back to Ideaplex, the channel where we explore the latest tools to amplify your creativity. Imagine turning your ideas into visually stunning videos in just minutes without hiring a team or learning complex software. Sounds too good to be true? Meet Genmo AI, a platform that's revolutionizing video creation with the power of AI. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who loves experimenting with tech, this tool promises to be a game changer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Genmo AI is an AI-powered video generator that lets you create incredible videos without any technical expertise. It is an open state-of-the-art video generation model with high-fidelity motion and strong prompt adherence in preliminary evaluation. This model dramatically closes the gap between closed and open video generation systems. The magic starts when you input your idea. This could be a text description. Genmo's AI engine analyzes your input and generates a video that aligns with your vision. It's almost like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. Genmo AI offers a surprising amount of creative control. You can tweak elements like color schemes, animation styles, and even motion physics. From marketing campaigns to educational content and personal projects, Genmo has you covered. The platform shines in scenarios where dynamic visuals can elevate storytelling. Imagine using it to create explainer videos, animated ads, or even interactive art pieces. Genmo AI is an innovative AI-powered platform designed to transform text prompts into visual content such as videos, images, and even 3D models. Its tools cater to creatives, offering features like motion simulations and precise prompt adherence to produce dynamic and photorealistic video content. Genmo's advanced systems, such as the Mochi 1 model, stand out for their cutting-edge physics simulation capabilities and ability to render fluid, high-quality animations. Simplifies video creation without needing advanced editing skills. Enables detailed control over generated content. Encourages collaboration by sharing and drawing inspiration from others' projects. Genmo AI provides free access to its tools and allows users to produce content suitable for marketing, educational purposes, or personal projects. It also supports both individual creativity and integration into larger production workflows. Another standout moment was exploring Genmo's community-driven content. It's inspiring to see what other creators are doing, and it's a great way to find fresh ideas. Genmo AI's videos are incredibly realistic thanks to its advanced AI algorithms. Using Genmo AI is a breeze. Simply describe the type of video you want to create, and Genmo AI will do the rest. You can even provide specific details like the characters, setting, and mood. Start with simple ideas and gradually explore more complex scenarios to understand how Genmo interprets them. Use the platform's shared projects for inspiration and collaboration. Since videos are short, focus on impactful visuals that tell your story quickly. Free to use with an open source license. Genmo AI has a wide range of applications, from creating marketing videos and educational content to personal vlogs and even music videos. I've been using Genmo AI for a few weeks now, and I'm honestly blown away by its capabilities. It's incredibly powerful and versatile, and it's made my video creation process so much easier. First up, let's talk about the AI video creation process. First, head over to www.genmo.ai and log in or sign up. The platform offers a free tier to get started, so no commitments needed upfront. Once inside, you'll see a clean and intuitive dashboard that makes navigation a breeze. Let's create our first video. Start by entering your idea. Genmo's AI analyzes your input and generates a visually stunning video in just minutes. You can preview the video and make quick adjustments if needed. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Genmo lets you download your video in high resolution, ready for sharing on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you need it. Use Genmo videos as a base and refine them further in editing software. Whether you're creating ads, social media posts, educational content, or prototyping ideas for a film, Genmo is versatile enough to handle it all. Educators can use it to design engaging explainer videos. Even filmmakers can prototype scenes before committing to expensive production. While many platforms also offer AI-driven video creation, Genmo stands out for its blend of artistic flair and customization. It's not just about functionality, it's about making your videos look unique and captivating. The AI's creativity is unmatched, producing results you might not have thought of yourself. The free tier has limited features, so you likely need to upgrade to access the full potential. Occasionally, the AI generated content might require some manual adjustments to align with specific visions. So, is Genmo AI worth trying? Absolutely. Whether you're a seasoned creator or a beginner, it opens up a world of possibilities for video production. If you're intrigued, I've dropped a link in the description. Go ahead and explore Genmo for yourself. And hey, if you've already used it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to explore its creative possibilities, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Ideaplex for more deep dives into the world of tech and creativity. Until next time, keep innovating and stay inspired.